Republic, and this is Aditya Raj Kaul. We are tracking the super exclusive here on Republic. Hours after Syed Salahuddin, the global terrorist and chief commander of the banned terrorist outfit Hizbul Mujahideen, was in fact declared a global terrorist by the United States, Republic has managed to get inside Hizbul Mujahideen. In fact, track down the exact location of Syed Salahuddin. More than 30 years, have been spent for looking out for this global terrorist Syed Salahuddin. He's been staying inside Muzaffarabad in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. But now, Republic has managed to speak to a very close aide and, in fact, Man Friday of Syed Salahuddin, Syed Kalimullah, who confirms that immediately after US designated him as a global terrorist, he was rushed midnight to Islamabad and he's inside an ISI safe haven. My senior colleague and editor, Niranjan, spoke to a senior Pakistani senator. Let's listen in.
So, Mr. Beg, there's a statement that was issued by Pakistan this morning where Pakistan has gone on to protest designation of Salahuddin as a global terrorist. Your response to it, Mr. Beg?
Well, I think probably United States is fully aware of the ground reality, what is happening in Kashmir. And the world knows about it, but unfortunately they have just been keeping quiet about it. So I think they should know the facts of the matter, and these statements are one-sided just to please a visiting dignitary visiting DC. So I don't think so. Whatever the Pakistan Foreign Office has said, obviously we stand by that. And I think even the Indian side needs to resolve the issue of Kashmir, which is absolutely going berserk in the valley. And everybody knows it, and even the people of India know it.
But Mr. Beg,
the point is, let me complete. I mean, you should not run away from reality. There are serious problems in the valley, and I think which is not being addressed. And by just saying that Kashmir is an integral part of India, I mean, you're just trying to fool the people of
Mr.
India.
Mr. Beg,
the matter...
Mr. Beg, I don't think the question is about Kashmir. I think, Mr. Beg, the question is about Salahuddin. The statement from Pakistan says designation of individuals supporting the Kashmiri right to self-determination as terrorists is completely unjustified. You know who Salahuddin is? You know what Salahuddin does? He's a terrorist. He's the head of a terrorist organization.
You see, in the world today, I mean, you can call somebody a terrorist and somebody a gentleman. The point is this: you need to go into the depth of the matter.
Is he a terrorist for Pakistan? Is he a terrorist for Pakistan, or is he a free man for Pakistan?
Listen to me. I mean, the man is probably somewhere in Azad Kashmir. I don't know where the gentleman
He's in Islamabad. We have confirmed information. We have confirmed information that he's in Islamabad this evening.
Listen to me. Even if he's in Islamabad, or if he's in Srinagar, or if he's in Bombay, I don't know. But the point of the matter is that India should understand the problem of Kashmir, and you should try to resolve it rather than...
No, I don't think there's anything to resolve in... I don't think there's anything to resolve...
I mean, who went to the United Nations?
I think today the fact that America...
Listen to me, my friend. Please be patient and listen to me. We've had a couple of wars on Kashmir. There's a problem. You know that that's a disputed territory. That is not integral part of India by any circumstances. Now, if you try to befool the world and the people of India, that's not my problem. The problem is that the Kashmir problem
my question was not about Kashmir. My question is about Salahuddin. I'm asking you, does your party back Salahuddin?
It's all connected with Kashmir, my friend.
I'm asking you about Salahuddin. I'm asking you about Salahuddin, who has been designated. I'm asking you about Salahuddin, who's been designated a global terrorist.
Listen to me, my friend. Listen to me, my friend.
Yes,
I mean, the problem is Kashmir. That is the basic problem between our two countries, and it's been
this is not about Kashmir. India did not go to America about Kashmir, Mr. Beg.
Mr. Beg, resolve it. We will have no Salahuddin.
Mr. Beg, does your party protest the U.S. decision to term Salahuddin a global terrorist?
Well, I mean, I think it's absolutely rubbish and nonsense. Whatever the United States has said,